Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad with chicken. Start by boiling potatoes until tender and cooking chicken through, then cool both. Chop potatoes into bite-sized pieces and shred chicken finely for even texture. Mix mayo, mustard, vinegar, salt, and pepper to taste. Fold in celery, onion, and herbs gently to keep pieces intact. Chill briefly to meld flavors before serving warm. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. You will need potatoes, cooked chicken, mayo, mustard, vinegar, celery, onion, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Also grab salt, pepper, and an optional pinch of sugar or paprika for depth. Having measuring spoons and a large bowl ready speeds assembly. Prep vegetables while potatoes simmer so everything comes together quickly. Handle the salad gently to keep it appealing and texturally pleasing for diners. Let hot potatoes and chicken cool somewhat so the dressing does not separate or become watery. Combine mayo, mustard, vinegar, and seasonings first, then fold in potatoes, chicken, celery, and onion with a spatula. Taste and tweak with salt or a splash more vinegar if needed. Chill for at least 30 minutes to let flavors marry before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.